Well, restart, but you need to... Are you already going?
Yeah, I'm going. How you doing, everyone? My name's Crazy Hand Mechanic. Welcome back to my video. If you guys are new here, welcome. So we're getting a little ahead of ourselves. Forgot to shoot the video when I started doing this, but we got the bumper on. See how this is an L shape? You want it to be like that. Again, the instructions on this is really 100% crappy.
Right, the L faces out.
Yeah, see the L faces out, and see how all these are lined. Now we just got to take a wrench and go ahead and tighten these down. Tighten down these, tighten down those, tighten down that and that. We can go ahead and get some wrenches, Mr. Mechanic. We can get going and get this thing tightened down. I can shoot the video while you tighten it down, so we can show you guys how these get tightened down, and we can show you the finished product. Again, you want to make sure you get it aligned and kind of flush with the tailgate, which the tailgate again opens and closes beautifully. That's beautiful. That's what you want.
I don't know if these are right size.
All right, he's got a couple of wrenches. We're going to see if those are the correct sizes.
Hell no.
Hell no.
Wrong, both of them.
Yep, both of them wrong.
You can probably pause it.
No, I can. There's a wrench. You can get it two adjustable wrenches in there.
Yeah, I don't know if we have enough space for it.
No, I don't know.
It's so tight, those two are too big. You need wrenches. It's too big.
That's way too large. Let's see. What do we... Over here. Try 15.
Yeah, we can probably try that. But we need That's too small. Let me try these. Yeah, I think that one.
Got plenty of wrenches. Grabbed them all. Let's throw the wrench down. 18.
Yeah. You have another 18? Yep, there's one.
Yep, two 18s, guys. What's the odds of me having two 18s? So what we have to, we've been looking forward to doing this for a long time, guys. It looks way better than that stock factory one. Holy smokes. Whoever invented those ratcheting wrenches should be a millionaire.
They probably are.
I mean, that's the best design. Did we forget something?
Yeah, I don't think you put that on there. The top one.
Huh, that's odd. Once you get this on there, you can go ahead and tighten all the bolts up here and there and then here. Which gives me a chance while he's working on that. See what size these are. And let's see, we got a 15 over here. That's a 14. 17. Oh. 5/8. Let's see if 5/8 will work. Alright, I know.
There's a 15 and under there.
Nope. We're going to try this one-handed, guys. That's not going to work. 14, 15, 17's too big. Yep. Those are too big. I got the correct size. That's a half. That might be what I need. A 16. Oh, let's see if this is the correct size.
Switch me sides. You get over here.
Yep. I'm gonna switch your side because he's gonna.
Whole thing's spinning.
Oh,
You're going on both sides.
yeah, I don't have two 16s. I have only one 16.
For that, you can use a wrench or a socket.
Yeah.
So if you have a 16 socket.
Yeah. This took over an hour of trial and error, guys.
First, we put them on backwards.
Yeah, first they were on backwards. Instructions again, guys, they're like crap. They really were bad. Mr. Mechanic can tell you they were bad. I don't even know what the hell we did. We lost them again, like we did it again. We had them like 5 minutes ago, and then they just somehow grew legs and disappeared.
What's that?
The instruction. The bolt's way up there. That's where he's tightening. That stinks. You gotta do that by hand. We're just doing it old-fashioned way. Yeah, I have a torque wrench. We should torque them down, but we can't get a torque wrench in there. But there we could.
Okay. Well, that's about the finished product, though.
Yeah, that's about the finished product. You got new nuts there. You can see that. That's how they hold up.
All we gotta do is tighten those up and it's done.
Yeah, tighten these things up, and this thing is 100% done. And this is basically doing a rear armor bumper on a 02 Jeep Grand Cherokee. You can call it a Laredo. I don't give a shit what you call it. WJ, it's the same vehicle. Right, Mr. Mechanic? Same vehicle, correct?
Yeah.
Practically just a different name, same body style. I don't think I have a 16 wrench. I really don't. I'd be impressed if I do. It's a quarter. Yeah, I don't really have a 16. Yeah, I don't think I have a 16 socket. That's really an odd one. Yeah, I never ever came across a 16.
Yeah, but if you have a socket, you gotta have a 16.
No word, guys. Oh my word, sneezing on camera. That's an awful thing to do. That's 5/8.
Just have 5/8 too.
That's all 15. I don't even believe it. I don't have it. What a 9/16. I wonder if that would work.
No, it's the same as the 14 millimeter.
Yeah, I just don't have a 16. That is super duper odd.
What says a 5/8 is the same as a 16? Try 5/8 on there.
5/8.
Yeah, here's a 5/8.
Yep.
So we can use 5/8 and 16.
Yep. Okay, I'm going to switch sides so he can go ahead and do that. What did I do with that 16? Oh, there it is. Oh. Ooh. It's like adjusting yourself for a second. Man, this ain't looking
Wrong way.
all right. You What happened now? Thing wants to be a total a-hole. Yeah, I got a new torque wrench and I didn't use it. Now we'll take off the bumper. We'll take off the bolts that are right there that are supported. We'll change this out. And we don't touch none of that stuff. That's just basically, and it's got a nice tow hook. It's got D-rings. That's why I bought it, guys, because it has all. And compared to other ones, it has all the mounting hardware with it. I didn't see a lot of bumpers like that. It's nice. It's really beefy and stuff back here. Those tail lights look awesome. So, hey, stay tuned for that video, guys. We're gonna show you the video on this thing at night. Yep, we're gonna definitely show you the tune on that one. Okay, now he's gonna swap. I'm gonna swap positions, and he's gonna do the other side, and we are done. Phew! All that trial and error. Road salt, destructible little bastard.
Yeah, this is a northeast. Well, this was up north vehicle, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was up north. I got it from. Where did I get it?
Michigan City.
Yeah, you call them a $700 herd, Michigan City, Indiana thing. We're gonna be doing what other videos we're planning on doing with this thing? Basically deleting that canister, changing this.
Delete that. Your pan.
Yep. Get this removed.
Front bumper eventually.
Yep, front bumper. Because guys, somebody's gonna make a comment probably like, why don't you do the front bumper? Well,
then if you put a lift on it.
oh yeah, we got a 2-inch lift. We gotta figure out that rim problem over there. Man, look at that. Look how great that looks. Get off. There you go. I'm having fun, aren't you?
Yeah.
I love these bumpers. I like when I see these. I want to go have some real fun. These things. Again, the reason why I like it, because look how far it sticks out versus the factory. The factory is like almost flushed in. It's not really sticks out that far.
And it was a lot of plastic.
It's a lot of plastic. And there's no, this is legitimately structural. Look at that, guys. Just look how amazing that looks. Future videos on this, I told Mr. Mechanic, we'll probably put a light here to add for the reverse light. There is up here.
Well, you probably put 2 of them in there.
Yeah, probably put one here, and then right on the top we'll do one.
Light bar.
Yeah, so if somebody gets even with somebody got their brights on, I'm gonna get even with them. And then we're gonna do a light bar in the front. I'm gonna do a bumper in the front. But look at that, guys. There it is. It has finally been installed. Besides that, but and that rust and that turd. That oil pressure sensor is holding right up. Oh yeah, and we did discover too on the what was the coil pack? Oh yeah, if the wire plug is facing towards the front of the vehicle, that is like this. That's the wrong way. You need to face it towards to the back firewall, the plug, so you'll have the correct wiring diagram for that Viper coil packs. We found that out. So make sure you do that correctly. And there you guys go. Look at that. Look how great that looks. That is awesome. Sorry we couldn't get a lot of video because it was a lot of testing and trials and errors. Again, make sure your brackets are set up just like this. Make sure that it's like an L. Make sure they stick out like this. Because if they're not, again, if they're not set up like this will not set up there at all. So make sure you guys do that. And there you guys go. There is an armor bumper, rear armor bumper for an 02G Grand Cherokee. If you guys like it, hey, give it a thumbs up. I'll probably get like 20 or 30 views, but hell. And if you guys like it, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Ask Mystery Mechanic any question you got, or me, whatever, and write a comment down, thoughts. I'll see you in the next one, okay? Peace out. That's a great bumper.